Ayan na guys, nandiyan na si Kahil. So akala niya, yung dumating lang yung mga kapatid ko lang. Hindi niya alam na nandito ako. So nauna nang lumabas yung mga kapatid ko para i-greet siya. Then, pag busy ang lahat, ako na yung susunod. Guys, nakaligo na ang all, mukhang tao na tayo ulit. Hindi na tayo malagkit, hindi na tayo mabaho. Ang tanong, anong malagkit ang ayaw mong kainin? Ang sagot, kilikili. So ito, nagbihis na ako guys. Ayan, baka nagtatanong kayo din pala madam, nagsusuot ng mga ganyan. Guys, I model what I sell. So, kalmahan lang natin. Pero in fairness, cute naman siya, oh. Sila Bubu, monster, guys. Magkamukha naman kami kahit papano. Ayan, so prepared na ako. Papunta na yung tatay ni Kahil. Dala niya si Kahil. So, wala siyang idea. Sabi ng tatay ni Kahil, hindi na kita tatawagan. Kasi pag tinawagan kita, baka makahalata si Kahil. Oh, diba? Sana all meron tayong partner in crime. Partner in crime. Ayan. So anyway, antayin lang natin. Galing sila sa, I think around 45 to 1 hour na drive. And pinadiretso ko na dito sa apartment. Wala siyang idea na ako yung pupuntahan niya dito. So titingnan natin mamaya. Paano na naman magiging itsura ng anak ko. Hindi niya talaga ini-expect kasi every time na naglalambing ako sa kanya, sinasabi niya, Ma'am, Christmas is almost there. Ma'am, I'm coming there for Christmas. Ganun. So hindi ko talaga matiis. Ang tagal ng Christmas, guys. Ang tagal-tagal. Alam niyo yung puso ko, minsan sinasabi ko, pwede bang sa akin na lang ulit si Kahil tumira? Kaso, mas productive siya dito. Mas nag-grow siya dito. And mahal na mahal siya ng tatay niya. Wala akong problema sa pagpapalaki ng ama niya. So, for now, let me just calm down and pray for the best para sa future ng anak ko. And I still have the hope na bumalik na siya sa akin for good. Ayun. Ayan na guys, nandiyan na si Kahil. So akala niya, yung dumating lang yung mga kapatid ko lang. Hindi niya alam na nandito ako. So nauna nang lumabas yung mga kapatid ko para i-greet siya. Then, pag busy ang lahat, ako na yung susunod. Hindi niya na-expect. Alam niyo, kahit na ganyan anak ko si Kuya Kahil, kinakabahan ako every time sinusurprise ko siya. Yung parang gusto kong mag-toilet, gusto kong magpupo. Sa anak ko na lang talaga ako kinikilig guys, sa mga anak ko na lang talaga, alhamdulillah. So lalabas na ako konti, let's go!
Surprise! Your mom live in the Philippines. We love your mom in the Philippines.
Hey, how are you?
It's okay.
Hi, how are you? You okay? No, he has no idea what's going on. No idea.
You want to see it?
Well, mom is not here.
No, I got you. Don't worry. Huh? But I just want I will cry again. Stop it. You always miss your mom.
How come you didn't hug everyone else?
Yeah, he didn't hug us. Only you. Wala, nagtulong-luha.
Yeah, why you oh my god.
You're tired from school and everything, right?
He goes with me every day and he has no job.
He's tired.
My dad makes me some points. Which one of them have you?
And he's even not good. Always big. So many dress, you don't come back home?
Dahil
No, I'm not
sasakyan.
gonna carry this because you're a big boy now. Say bye-bye to your dad. Bye-bye, Jin. Thank you.
Have lots of fun.
Bye. Okay, guys. Come with me. You miss Mama?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How big? How much?
As much as the whole world.
Sip-sip talaga tong anak ko, guys. So, nag-ikot-ikot kami dito. Andito kami sa harap ng mall ngayon. And, at nag-ikot-ikot kami sa mga stalls and shop. Kumain si Kuya Kahil saglit kasi nagutom siya. And right now, kami ay nagtitingin-tingin kasama yung mga auntie ni Kahil. And, kasi busog na busog kami talaga. Pinapatunaw namin yung kinain namin. So, tara, ikot-ikot tayo, guys. Asa pa sila? Naiwan doon. Ayun.
Where did Tita Ginger?
She's just behind. So grabe talaga, grabe. Supportive. Your dad is very supportive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you what did your dad tell you
About what?
about today? How did he prank you?
He didn't tell me anything. He just told me we were going on a train trip.
Oh, train trip.
Yeah, he said we're going to Bangkok to book a big train.
Oh, that's so funny.
And I was like, Dad, why are we in an alleyway? Are we living here? He said, where are we living? I said, okay, what about in those bushes? And he's like, what?
Your dad is so funny. So talagang supportive yung tatay niya. Kaya successful ang lahat, guys. Apaka-sweet ng tatay. And wala akong nararamdaman na bigat kapag nagkikita kami. Ano na talaga, sobrang peaceful na. So, ikot-ikot lang tayo dito ng konti and then we'll see you tonight. We're going for a dinner.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Tingin ko, guys, lahat pala dito ay halal kasi ngayon pala ay parang halal food expo. So, lahat ng tindahan dito ngayon, they are either sold by our Muslim brothers and sisters or mga hindi kumakain ng pork. So, merong iba na non-pork sila pero hindi halal. Merong iba na halal. And we are enjoying the free taste, right? Ang daming free taste. Do you love Thai food?
I love it. I love it.
From 1 to 10.
9.
And what's your favorite Thai food?
I would say what is it called?
Too many.
Spicy cucumber thing. Like the little peels, like little.
Yeah, like a salad.
Mm,
Nice.
spicy.
And si Madam Ten Gibbs, guys, ngayon ay sobrang nag-enjoy siya kasama si Boss Jean at si Ate Balileng, ang kanyang assistant. Nag-enjoy sila sa kakatikim ng pagkain at pag-ikot-ikot. So far, nakabili na sila ng dried fruit, which is durian. Apakasarap, apaka-authentic. Purong-puro. Tinikman nila lahat ng free taste. Sana all. And ikot na lang kami ng konti, then babalik. Corn dog.
3. Hot? Hot? Do I bite it or just wait?
You can bite it.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, nice! I love that cheese! Mozzarella! Every time you eat, it reminds me of when you were younger and eating like that. Your eyes is the same. Okay, my turn.
This is the first time I've ever had corn dog.
Yeah, me too. I always see them in the movies. Let me try.
It looks so good.
Hop, 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 hop. Ooh, ASMR.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot.
Mm. Hold this, anak. You can put that. Okay. Let me put the microphone closer to my mouth.
Hot, isn't it?
Let's get some cheese in there. Are we in 0.5?
0.5. Yeah.
All right, let's get some cheese in there. 1, 2, 3. I failed with the cheese. Let's try again. I can see myself. Where do I bite with the cheese?
Oh. That's a beautiful amount.
Your turn.
Here we go.
Do some ASMR. Like people should swallow their saliva when they see you eat. Ooh, nice.
Mm.
Ooh, longer. Wow.
ไม่เอาอีกนะพ่อไม่ร้อนไม่ยอม
I
เลย
love that.
ไม่ร้อนไม่ยอมอีกนะให้มาเลย
Mm.
Nice. I thought you're full and suddenly you're not full anymore.
This is the first time I've had corn dog.
No,
It's
it's okay. I'm
great.
gonna hold it for you. Enjoy your corn dog.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, nice. I love that cheese. I think you're gonna be like a meter.
Mm.
And it's nice when it's hot.
Mm.
Nice. Really lovely.
Oh,
Masarap?
it's
In
hot.
English we say yummy.
Yum.
In English we say.
Yummy.
In Thai we say.
Aroy.
In Tagalog we say. Masarap.
Masarap.
Oh,
That's good, Kahil.
Want another bar?
Yeah. How about Tita Wiwi? Let Tita Wiwi try also. Another ASMR. Wait. Wait lang. Okay, hold it properly. Then give us an ASMR bite.
Alright. Aray, Mac.
Big one. Let's see how long. Wow.
Ah, Kahil.
Naganga si Jinjin sa likod. No, halal lahat. Kasi ano siya, Muslim. Ikaw. ASMR, go. Ooh. Huwag mo magatin yung cheese. Kahil enjoyed it.
It's good. Oh.
Last bite for you.
3, 2, 1. I found the corn dog.
The corn dog is so small.
Why?
They put it in the last.
Pili pa naman na itong mga palengke. Dili pa na sila.
Good? You're good. Your dad say,
He said that he was proud that I got like a 26 out of 30 in my math exam, and then also in my English exam. I'm pretty sure I got around 80 or something around there. And then in my science exam, I got a good score, 40 out of 50. I
Okay.
think that's around also 80.
that's a plus. Are you enjoying school?
Yeah, I'm enjoying
Yeah,
it.
you do?
I love it.
You have a best friend or something?
I have 2 best friends.
Like solid, like trusted, like rain or
Trusted.
shine friend? Okay, I like that.
Always agree with my decisions.
Not really. They don't have to agree all the time, right? Doesn't mean they agree all the time. They're your friends. They can disagree. That's okay, right?
Yeah, I know. I wonder if Ashley's awake.
Maybe. Saan ko isa ka phone man? Ay, this one is the dried fruit. Ooh.
You guys gonna sell that too?
พี่คะชิมได้ไหมคะโดริยานชิมได้ไหมคะได้
I want coconut. Coconut.
Do you want? Now? I thought you're full. Huh?
It's like candy, sweet.
We can just try first. Let's look
Yeah,
for the
let's
sample.
try. A little bit.
Okay.
Pwede na yung padala sa airport nyo.
Pwede. Ay, pambot lang? Pwede yata.
Is this a dry?
ชิมด้วยได้ไหมคะโดริยาน you want some try?
Yeah.
Here.
How much? Barato lang natin, pre.
Dito sa Thailand,
Ako lahurot. Ako dagat.
sa sample pa lang, busog ka na.
Lagyan everything.
This is the first time I eat dried durian.
Durian.
Looks like durian.
Dried durian.
Like the dust of air. Oh, that's so good.
Authentic man gud gang.
Pwede kong palit. Barato dire.
Talay happy.
400ค่ะ
400 baht na siya. 800 pesos na lang ga.
How many pieces?
10 pieces. This one, 300 baht.
300 baht na siya.
But full.
Full. 300 baht. This is 600 pesos. That one 800 pesos. That one if you want to give away. This one is for your personal. Can I try this one, coconut?
This one. Barato naman dito.
Tingnan na yung price. Normally, pare-pareho lang din na sila price.
Same.
Same.
Yeah, this one's soft. This one little bit hot.
Okay, go. Ma'am. Here, the video is there.
Wow.
Ayan. Wow! Yeah. The same like what you wanted, but in a different packet.
Ano sa durian na totoo?
Coconut. Coconut.
Ako ko na yan. 1,000 daw ni Pre. Tatlo ka buok. Mura na.
Maayo kay naka-ano ka, discount ka 100 baht each.
200 daw. Oo. Dalawa naman sa tibal. Uy, nag-iwi mo kamera, gaga.
Day 2 pa lang namin dito sa Bangkok, pero grabe. Ang dami na talagang nangyari. Yan dahil nag-agawan kami sa signal ng wifi sa kwarto. Ako'y bumaba dito sa lobby para wala naman akong kakompetensya. At habang ako'y nagpapahinga at nag-check ng aking mga video, na-realize ko na hindi ko pala na-share dito sa episode na to yung close-up na nakuha ng kapatid ko nung nalungkot si Kuya Kahil dahil akala niya wala ako, dahil akala niya hindi ako sinama ng mga kapatid ko at nasa Pilipinas lang ako kasi ang sabi ng kapatid ko ni Madam Tengiz, your mom is in the Philippines, she cannot come with us but she wanted to say hello and she said if you could stay with us. So nalungkot talaga si Kahil at makikita niyo yung reaction niya dito sa clip na i-share ko guys. And marirealize mo talaga na iba talaga yung yakap ng isang nanay. Magiging honest ako sa inyo habang nung niyakap ako ng anak ko, nung nabigla siya, yung talagang napasigaw talaga siya ng pagkalakas-lakas kahit yung tatay niya nabigla kasi normally si Kahil yung pinapakita niya is independent and strong personality. Pero pag nakikita niya ako or nakakasama niya ako, para talaga siyang bumabalik talaga siya sa pagka-baby guys. Yan. Nung nakita niya ako, napasigaw siya, yung pagyakap sa akin ng anak ko guys, parang binagsak niya sa akin lahat ng pagod niya, lahat ng mga sakit ng katawan niya kasi nagde-training siya palagi, halos araw-araw ng soccer. And lagi po siyang nag-aaral dahil dito sa Thailand, ang kanilang academic practice is very solid, very serious. Madami silang books, marami silang homework, marami silang projects. Halos everyday merong homework. So, yung kanilang kultura dito, push ng push talaga sa academics and push ng push sa skills at extracurricular activities. And I know how it is kasi naging guro ako dito sa Thailand ng 10 taon. Kaya alam ko yung kultura nila sa eskwelahan, yung practice ng mga bata, ng admin ng eskwelahan, ng mga magulang sa mga anak nila. And because Kahil is studying here in Thailand, of course, yan din yung way na nagla-learn siya and tinitrain siya ng tatay niya. So yung pagod ng anak ko mentally at yung pagod ng anak ko physically, maybe emotionally as well for missing me and his brothers and sister, bumagsak lahat sa akin guys. Bumigat ng bongga yung anak ko and he really hugged me tight and I really felt, you know, the longing of my child. Yung na-miss niya talaga ako ng sobra, yung feeling na andyan yung mama ko, everything will be okay. Ganun yung na-feel ko. And of course, hindi ko talaga mapigilan maluha. I am very happy. Walang paglagyan. Walang paglagyan yung saya ng puso ko, yung saya ng pagkatao ko, na nakita ko ulit yung anak ko at nakasama ko siya. And I'm so blessed. I am so blessed. And sa 2 araw, kahapon tsaka ngayon na nagkasama kami, tinatry ko palagi na magkaroon ng deeper conversation with my son. And pag may meron siyang mga tanong or ganito, pag may na-mention siya sa akin na pinagtatawanan siya ng ibang friends niya or meron mga ganitong klaseng instances sa school, yung mga behavior lang na pambata na hindi naman natin kailangan ikagalit, pero kailangan natin i-explain sa anak natin to make them emotionally and mentally independent, to make them feel that they don't have to rely to other people's opinion or they don't have to wait for others to validate his characteristic. Lagi ko nire-remind yung anak ko na he is a good and a smart kid. He has a clear intention sa puso niya at hindi niya kailangan magpadala sa kung ano mang sinasabi ng iba. Lagi ko siyang sinasabihan na he cannot let other people, or nire-remind ko siya to not let other people around him ruin his day. Okay? And try to always like think about others as well, kasi may mga times na yung anak ko masyadong playful, si Kuya Kyle ay masyadong playful na umaabot na sa pagiging nagtitis siya, or maybe sometimes it can be annoying kasi kids can be like that, but I do remind him na maging sensitive kapag ka meron siyang kausap and it looks like this person doesn't like his jokes or not comfortable with his words or his actions, to stop it immediately, kasi kailangan niya maging sensitive sa feeling ng iba. It's not all the time that his jokes or his actions will please people. So if he feels like hindi na masaya yung kasama niya or something, he needs to give that space. So marami kaming napag-usapan about sa classroom niya, about sa grades niya. He said he's doing well in exams. But most importantly, I had to ask my son kung masaya ba siya, kung masaya ba yung puso niya. And he told me that he is happy. So I always wish him well in everything that he does. And about naman sa tatay niya, guys, sobrang appreciated ko talaga yung tatay. Lagi ko kayong sinishare sa inyo yung aming relationship as co-parents ni Kuya Kahil. And this time, I chose to show you guys itong clip na to kasi his dad is a big part of my child's life. Kahil's dad is a big part of Kahil's characteristic, Kahil's character. Kasi he's trying his best na siya naman, after 10 long years na ako yung nag-asikaso kay Kahil, this time it's gonna be him. And being a parent, being a dad, being a mother is not an easy thing, especially if you choose to be there for your child or your children's life like 100%. So knowing na Kahil ay nakatira sa tatay niya, kasama yung tatay niya, kargo din lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ng anak ko. I am there as much as I could, as much as I can. Pero dahil yung tatay niya ang andyan physically, then his influence and his, pag-model niya is much more important above anything else. I also do remind Kahil, guys, na siya ang laging iniisip at nasa puso ng tatay niya kasi nag-iisang anak lang si Kuya Kahil. And dati pa yan, sinabihan ako ng tatay niya na isa lang talaga yung gusto niya maging anak, okay? Gusto niya mag-focus kay Kahil and everything. And sabi ko kay Kahil, pag nakikita niya yung tatay niya na pagod or gusto mapag-isa, to leave him be. Kasi being a parent is not an easy thing. Pero sinisigurado ko sa anak ko na kahit buksan mo yung puso at isipan ng tatay mo, ikaw ang laging iniisip niyan kung paano niya ibibigay sa'yo yung best. Kasi kami anak, sabi ko sa kanya, kami anak, lumaki kaming mahirap. Yung tatay mo, lumaking mahirap sa Africa. Ako, lumaking mahirap sa Pilipinas. We can survive anything. Gutom man yan, walang pera, walang masuot, walang matirhan, okay lang. Kasi we can always find a way. Pero, iba yung mga bata ngayon. We always tend to plan the future and prepare the future for our children. Hindi katulad sa atin, sa natin guys, sa mga generation natin before na kailangan tayo mag-figure out ng sarili nating buhay. As early as, hindi ko alam sa iba, pero sa amin as early as 4 or 5, talagang dun pa lang guys, tinraining na kami na maging independent. Wala na talaga, naglalaban na, naglilinis na ng bahay. Tinuruan naman kami ng mga simpleng gawain at age 5. At age 7, marunong na kami maghanap ng pera. At elementary days, kami na yung nagbebenta. High school days, kami na nagpapaaral sa sarili namin. University days, kami na nagpapakain sa sarili namin. And then, nung pag-graduate namin, kailangan na namin magkaroon ng responsibility na sobrang bigat. So, we had to figure it out on our own. It's not the same sa generation ngayon. So sabi ko sa tatay niya, nagpasalamat ako ng bongga dahil yung tatay niya ay napaka-supportive. And kailangan ko siyang i-appreciate kasi appreciate naman talaga yung pagiging kalmado niya at pagiging supportive niya sa mga gusto kong gawin with Kahil. And sabi ko nga sa kanya kahapon, is it okay? Mamimiss ni Kahil yung mga training niya, yung ganito, ganyan. And his dad gave me completely the permission. Hindi naman permission, pero the heads up. And we are always like that. We just communicate and respect each other when it comes to our son. Kasi nire-respeto ko na meron siyang schedule or routine or appointments with Kahil. And he also respect the fact na I'm just here for a period of time or a short period of days. So sabi niya sa akin, please have fun. Don't worry about anything. Please have fun and rest with Kahil. And that's what I'm trying to do. So sabi ko kay Kuya Kahil, eat what you want to eat. Nag-guilty nga siya guys kasi sabi niya, normally hindi daw siya kumakain ng ganito or umiinom ng ganito kasi nga sugar and everything. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, nagpaalam na ako kay dad mo and your dad already said yes and he said it's okay na mag-have fun ka and mag-enjoy and mag-rest and mag-relax. And he was extremely happy. And eto share ko sa inyo yung video na malapitan kung ano yung naging reaction ni Kahil nung napakita yung mga kapatid ko na wala ako sa picture. Nung nag-isip si Kahil na wala pala yung mama ko and makikita dito guys yung reaction ng mukha niya. So please let me know how you feel about everything. Umiyak din ba kayo katulad ng pag-iyak namin at ni Madam Tengels? And if you miss Kahil, please send me your positive messages, your comments guys. I will read all of them. I hope you guys will be supportive also about, this whole co-parenting thing. Ang importante sa akin, we are at peace for our child. Okay? And Kahil will grow as peaceful as possible. Yun lang guys, and I'll see you this clip.
Yes, ma'am. Tell us to say hello to you. Hi! Hi, Kate. Bye ka. It's a surprise. Your mom. Your mom left in the Philippines. We love your mom in the Philippines. Can you go with us? Okay. Come on, let's go. Say goodbye, Daddy. Goodbye tayo, mama. Kuya din.
Hey, how
Hello.
are you? Hi, how are you? You okay?
That's it. That's it. Tagap niya yung mama.
No, he has no idea what's going on. No idea.
You want to
Hi.
see? You're gonna cry. You miss us.
Supposed to be a surprise.
It's a surprise.
I couldn't tell you where we're going.
This is the last. This is just like last year.
How is it like last year?
Same thing. I cried when everybody surprised me that mom was there.
Oh, mom's not here.
I know.
I got you. Don't worry.
Huh? But I just called you like a few weeks ago, a few days ago.
You called her?
Yeah.
She didn't tell you that she's going to be here.
I didn't know.
Guys. Stop it. You always miss your mom.
How come you didn't hug everyone else like that?
Yeah, I didn't ask us. Only you. Wala lang.
Hey, why you hug mommy like that?
You're tired from school and everything.
He goes with me every day and he has no job.
Hey, you're back.
My helpings do some office work. You're taller than mommy now, yeah?
And he's even heavier than always me. Like baby.
My baby, yes.
Are you scared of your dad? Are you
Da, da, da.
Your dad is so good. They can always play with you.
Surprise?
Are you surprised?
Surprise or prank?
You don't have an idea, right?
excited.